God forbid. God forbid. How can a pretty girl like this, a very beautiful girl like this, be sleeping around with old men, people old enough to be her grandfather, in her own fiance's house? Hi. No, this one is cursed though. This one has spiritual problems following her from her village. Look at the time. It's past 11. Is he going to spend the night here? What are they still talking about? Me, I want to sleep, oh. I want to sleep, I beg. I'm very tired. I've been working all day.
Okay. Take this. Give this to Daddy. And then get yourself good clothes. I need you people out of that ghetto. Here is 750,000 naira. Okay?
What did you say? 700? Thank you very much. Thank you. You're such an angel.
It's okay. Get up. Please sit down.
No, we can kneel down here. They talk with you want to talk. I know if you stand up.
Get up and sit down, I insist.
Okay, insist. Sit down.
Okay, listen. All you need to do for me is get that distraction off your brother. That keke girl is a distraction. Distracting him from, finding real love and all of that. So please, that's all I want you to do for me, okay?
No problem. Don't worry. Yeah, you go here discuss. No worry.
Okay.
Thank you once again. I really do appreciate this.
It's fine. It's fine. Let me get you a black nylon or
No,
something.
no worry. I go carry on like this. They go. I be ghetto girl. You don't forget. Nobody feel near me like this. You even want to know say na money I carry.
It's a brown envelope. They will know.
Until leave them. No worry. Nobody will feel near me. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Be
All
good.
right.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
When you start paying my father's bill and all that things that you did, I thought somebody has come to my life. I thought I've seen a sister. I thought I had someone as a friend. Whatever you are doing, please, you have to stop it. Why are you buying my parents with money? Okay, you paid my father's hospital bill, you gave my sister money, you gave my mother money. Yes, I know. But whatever you are carrying, please find somewhere and dump it.
Are you mad? Iken, I'm sorry. Iken, I'm sorry. Iken, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean it. Hey, what's wrong with me? Why, Mildred? Is it that you cannot just control your emotions? What's wrong with you? Iken, I did not mean it. I did not. I didn't even know when I... Oh, God, please.
Madam, please, who are you? Can you identify yourself?
Hey! Abego. She my eye dey pain me ni. Hey! Don't be smart, you know. Come. Wait, oh. Not be you again. The degree holder. When they speak big English, big grammar. Hey, sure?
Sorry, who are you?
You didn't ask me who I be.
Can I help you?
Look me where you don't know me. You don't remember this face.
Who are you looking for?
Hey! Not be smart, you know. This life not just balance at all. Wait to be get man. You be get man. Hey! I'm on this life no balance at all. Sure? Let me say pinch me. That's how they dream. Oh,
Babe, why you dey shout like Maduma for my compound? What's wrong?
my friend, Abe, come. Just pinch me. Pinch me. Let's how they sleep. Abe, I don't die. Just pinch me. Make up.
Wake up. What's happened? What's wrong?
Come on, that life. Oh. Yeah?
Sorry, have we met before? Do I know you from somewhere?
You dey ask me if we have met before. Degree holder.
Babe, you go tell me, maybe you no go tell me. What's going on?
Degree holder. Get man. Hey! I'm on this life. No balance, my sister.
You go tell me.
Moku go inside, make I gist. Make I just give you the better full gist.
Oh yeah, they go inside.
You say, what's it happen? I dey see where. Make I look for you. Hey! Naivo! Hey, this one don't finish. Degree waiting.
I'm sorry. Is she normal? I think she's a mad person. She come to see you. I don't blame her. I don't blame her. She's even driving a flashy car. Kai, God will punish that manager. God will destroy his entire generation. Look at this one. Even her laughter is very, very irritating. Can you imagine? She's working without a degree. She could not even spell common manager. She was asking me to help her. Fool. Listen, I'm better than you 1 billion times.
I am talking to you. Answer me.
I better leave him all. Leave this guy with this like this.
Babe, so you mean to tell me that this is the same man you told me is a computer wizard?
Yes, so.
This guy?
I go lie for you. I know him face well now. I know him. I know his beard, his color, everything about him. I know him. He's the same man. The guy where I tell you say computer dey inside his head. Now him oh. His brain dey sharp. He no book die. Not the man, not the guy. Huh?
Madam, I apologize. It's a long story, but I'll make it short. I was just afraid.
You see your life? No, you see your life. See where your life don't land you now. Eh? Come on, spare manager for me. You dey buga, they carry shoulder up. Just pay manager for me. You dey do anyhow because na only you know book pass.
You were rude.
Oh, you dey hear am? I dey rude. You see your life? You dey see my car outside? Did you see it? You don't see my well-furnished apartment where they give me. Eh? I mean the top for company now. Not maybe the top charts. Eh? Just see your life. See where you did. Wait, so babe. You employed a degree holder in business management as a get man in your house.
Point of correction. I'm not just a degree holder. I finished with a first class.
You dey hear am? Thank God say it come out from my mouth.
Really?
You dey hear am? I no lie.
A first class degree holder?
Bam.
So, you lied to me about your educational qualification because you were scared I wasn't going to employ you.
Yes, ma. I didn't want to lose the job. I'm sorry, ma. Please forgive me.
Could they raise shoulder up anyhow? They carry shoulder up. See your life. Gates man. Ordinary gates man.
You know what? Just go, please. Just go.
They go. You don't belong for here. They hear am. They go. You be gates man. They go. You dey look me. You want beat me.
It's and I said leave. Just go.
I'm sorry, ma.
Go mind the gates, please leave.
All right. Sorry, ma. Is the food ready?
Okay, they go. You don't say food they ready. Ordinary gates man. Just pay manager. You dey buga. School now scam oh. Eh? Between me and that guy now. No. Who win? You know, sister, don't use breast collect work for your hand.
Nah, an ordinary gets man.
My sister, baby reach you. Thank God for also. Hey! Hi! Poverty na disease.
But that guy no go die, I no go lie.
You see that in brain, they come on fire. But you no get shame. They tell person to spare waiting for you again. Where you go interview. I say you go they disgrace me everywhere where you they go.
You want to insult me now? No, you want to insult your babe now. So I just leave I mean so just I
that's man for your hand now.
Still they talk about.
Babe. Babe, what is your problem? Can you take it easy?
You won't understand anything. Even if I explain to you right now, you will not understand because I have messed up. I totally messed up. I ruined everything for myself.
You don't expect me to understand. You explain. Wait a minute. Did the father locate you? I said it. That man is a very smart man. I know he will surely locate you. I think I would advise you should go home and sort things out with them.
Please just be here for me, okay? Just wait here.
What is wrong with her? Anyway, I don't think I have anything serious to do in my office today. I will sit down here and wait. Today's lunch must be on you. Don't know where you're going to. I'm here waiting for you.
Yes. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's the manager.
My beautiful daughter-in-law.
My beautiful mother-in-law.
If your food can be this delicious always, then be ready to host me always.
Oh, mother, you're always welcome. My home is your home now, so feel free. As long as your stomach will be free to contain.
Don't complain, no, because you know I eat too much.
I told your husband the other day that my daughter is a wonderful cook. And she's going to be a good wife.
Well, she cook wonderfully too.
You?
A good daughter belongs more to the mother
Exactly.
than to the father.
Wait. And a bad daughter belongs to
The father.
the father.
Now you say that, no be me talk am. So I didn't say that, you know I'm saying, but I said the truth.
That's
That's what you want to
insinuating.
hear. That's what, yes, exactly. That's what she wants to hear.
Because you know the truth.
Oh, all I know is that my wife is my...
Madam. Sorry, madam. Your friend is at the gate. She said you should hurry up that the party will soon be over.
Excuse me? Which friend?
Madam, which friend? Your friend Jennifer now. The one that likes to wear short skirt, that likes to dress half naked.
What are you talking about? Emilia, stop!
Mother.
Chief Clifford. Yeah, the contract I connected you with, that company, how far is it?
Mother, what is it? Mother, listen. And listen very carefully. So, after warning you never to bring friends into this place, you seal. Mother, I did not. I don't bring friends here. I don't. Emilia, so you went home to tell mother that I bring friends to the house, right?
No, I know you. I know you very well. You like partying and living wayward life.
Mother, I can't do this with you right now.
Don't try it. Stop. Don't spoil this marriage. Don't spoil this. Let me tell you, if you ever try it, you will see. The gate man made it loud and clear that he saw your friend Jennifer. What would they have said? Have you turned this place into a friend zone or what? Emilia, have you gone out?
Mother, please, I can't do this.
Look at her. Nonsense. I've told you, don't ever. My dear, you see, you are going to continue staying in this house.
Okay, Mom.
You are no longer going anywhere. You will stay here to checkmate your elder sister's limits, right?
Mom, I'm just trying my best. She doesn't listen to me. Oh. She feels like the real boss, that nobody should tell her what to do.
Okay, no problem. No problem at all. You know what? I will report to your father. Your father needs to talk sense into her. Don't worry. I will tell your father.
thought you've quit smoking.
Are you mad? Since when? If I slap you now because you've grown wings, Abi. My friend, go and call me HSO now. Call me that gets man, also. I don't blame you now. You're eating my food, you are expanding. You now think we are mates. Nonsense.
Eche.
Huh?
My sister wants to see you.
Huh?
She's calling you.
You said?
My sister is calling you.
Your sister wants to see me?
Yes.
Now?
Now.
Everything okay?
Yes. She wants to see you.
You sent for me, ma.
Yes, I sent for you. There's someone at the gate.
Let me get it.
No, come stand there. They asked you to move. Stand there. You go and check it. Okay.
It's my job.
I said stand there.
Sorry.
You see that nonsense stunt you pulled the other day in front of my in-laws and my parents? Maba, if you try that nonsense again, and if the rubbish you did as much as spoil my relationship, I will wipe your generation. I will wipe your generation. You think you're smart, Abi?
Sorry, ma. What did I do, ma?
You're asking me.
I only told you that your friend was outside. I didn't do anything wrong.
Shut up! I will deal with you.
I didn't do any.
Hey.
You again?
Babe, you know this one?
Hey, what is he doing here?
Babe, you know him?
What is this guy doing here, babe?
Come on, babe, this is my gate man.
Your gate man?
Yes.
Interesting. Babe, you have to fire this guy immediately, now! What is he doing here?
Why?
Babe, this guy almost beat me up because I refused to give him a job that he didn't deserve.
Beat you up? Me? How? How can I beat you up?
You mean I'm lying? Babe, this guy has to leave this house immediately now.
Was it the same job you gave to one Jennifer Okorie?
Yes, of course, babe. He don't deserve that job. Jennifer deserves the job. That is why I gave it to her.
Oh, she deserved the job, but he doesn't. I see. Eche,
Ma?
Please go back to your duty post.
Ma?
I said go back to your duty post.
Ma, sorry, ma. I thought you called me for
I said
something.
go back to your duty post.
Okay, ma. That's fine. Thank you.
Just look at your life, Mr. Degree Holder. Babe.
How dare you?
Babe.
How dare you sleep with my friend?
Babe.
Are you mad?
Babe, calm down. That is why I'm here to explain things to you.
Explain what?
Babe.
You slept with my friend just so you could give her a job?
No, babe. It's not what you think, babe.
No, tell me, what should I think?
Babe, stop acting like this. Moreover, you're getting married in 3 months, babe. Why are you jealous that I'm sleeping with another?
So because I am getting married, that's why you decided to be stupid, eh?
Just calm
No,
down.
you chose to be stupid because I'm getting married.
Babe, we can sort
Listen,
this.
you have to fire her.
Okay, fine. Babe.
You must
Babe,
fire
if I will
her.
make you happy, I will fire her. You know that I love you so much.
What kind of temptation is this?
Babe, you're the best thing I've ever happened.
No, you don't say that. You have.
Babe.
Rubbed your skin on my skin to ignite, and then you burnt it down. I am tired of keeping the secret. I don't care anymore. I found what I'm looking for.
This is unbelievable. This one is the worst of them all. This girl has no home training. Eh? She can sleep with anything. Everything. So, the Oga now will be thinking he has a fiancé. Eh? A good one. She's waiting for him to come back and marry her. Hey. Are you alright? Did something happen?
No, nothing. I'm fine.
Are you crying? What happened? Hello? Can you talk to me? What happened?
My elder sister slapped me.
Your sister slapped you? What did you do?
Yes. She's cheating on her man, so I advised her against it and I told her to stop it, that it's very bad and despicable. Then she got angry and slapped me.
She got angry and slapped you?
Yes.
Are you really sure of what you're saying? Is she truly cheating on that man that wants to marry her?
Yes.
Okay, you know what? Don't ask her anymore. Eh? Don't try to advise her. Because she will keep hitting you. Eh? So just mind your business and stay away from anything she's doing. She's an adult. I'm sure she can handle herself. Okay?
Oh, okay. But Eshazna, please don't tell anybody about
No,
this.
I can't tell anybody.
Please.
Of course, I'm not a child. I can't tell anyone. Eh? But don't talk to her about it again. Okay?
Okay.
Hi.
Eche,
Huh?
is it true that you're a degree holder?
Yes. I mean, I'm a degree holder. But this is a story for another day, okay?
Okay.
We'll talk about it. I have to go back to my duty post before your sister comes out.
Okay.
We'll talk about it later.
So you are still like this. How can't you be happy?
I'm getting fed up with the whole thing. Honestly, I don't know what else we need to know.
Relax. Relax yourself. Everything is going to be all right.
Everything will be all right. I am totally against that girl. She should come out from that house because my son will not marry someone like her.
Honey, can you calm down?
No, Chief. Don't tell me to calm down. Eh? Are you trying to tell me that you did not see loopholes in that girl? When I see someone that pretends to be a saint, I do know. And believe me, that girl is one of them.
But we agree that we are not going to interfere. Let us forget what happened and how she treated Eche. Remember, Michael will still have the last say. Please. It's all right.
Mugu! Mr. Man!
Me?
So you're sleeping on duty, Abi? Huh?
Me?
Come here.
Me?
No, all of us. I said come here, you're asking me? I'm talking to you, you're still standing there. Take this money. Go across the street where those guys stay. Get me weed.
Sir?
I said get me weed.
Weed? Sorry, sir. Do you mean Indian hemp?
No, I mean Morocco hemp. Take this money, go to the street, get me weed and get me condom with the remaining change. Stop asking me stupid question.
Sir, did you say condom? Are you trying to have sex in this house?
No, I'm trying to use it for night vision. Take this thing and go and get me what I asked you to get me. You're asking me stupid question. Are you mad?
Sir, I need to understand. I'm the chief security officer of this house. I need to know what you want to use condom for.
Then do your work and don't interfere in my personal issues.
I want to know if you want to have sex in this house, sir.
Babe, what's going on
Man,
here?
you don't understand. He asked me to buy condom. And I was surprised because I need to know if he wants to have sex in this house.
No, he doesn't want to have sex. He wants to wear it on your head like face cap.
Man, you supporting him?
No, you're mad. Baby, give me that money. Oh, yeah, take. Take this money, sister.
Man, you supporting him?
Are you okay?
Come on, get that from here, my friend.
Buy what he asked you to buy. And you better be fast about it because you're going to the market for me.
Babe, where did you pick this guy from?
What type of condom? Is it Goat Circle?
What kind of human being is this, baby? See what I've been suffering in this house.
This guy is really stressing me out in this house. What kind of questions is this? Asking me what I want to use condom for.
It's okay, baby. I'm sorry. Don't mind him. I'm sorry, okay? He's just a naughty boy. Naughty boy. Sorry, man.
I'm not happy, seriously. Yeah. Okay. Done, babe.
What is done? Babe, I need to see assurance that you have sacked Jennifer. I don't know what you're talking about. I need to see it.
Babe, are you doubting me?
It's not about doubting you, my love. I need to see it. I need proof. You can't just tell me it's done. What is done?
Babe, as we speak, I've ordered the secretary to give her a sack letter. Why will I lie? For what reason?
I need to see it.
Babe, so you want me to call the secretary?
Yes, now? Call the secretary.
Okay, fine. I'll call her so she can send it to me on WhatsApp. Oh.
It's okay.
Oh, babe, you know I won't do such a thing now.
I'm back.
Drop the condom there.
Sir?
Drop it there on the table.
Sir, you'd have waited to know the type of condom I bought.
I said drop this and you're telling me nonsense. What is wrong with you?
They said drop it on the table.
What is wrong with this guy now? I said drop this thing on the table and leave this place.
It's not the original one, babe.
Which one is not the original one?
It's the Aboki type.
Can you drop it?
And take that car keys. Go and wash my car now and make sure you wash it in. What's wrong with this boy?
You said what?
I said go and wash my car for me.
Which car?
How many cars did he come with?
Babe, I swear to God, I will commit more than this.
It's okay, babe, I beg.
Please, what part of the car should I wash? The interior or the exterior?
Wash both the interiors and the exteriors. Make sure you wash the tires properly. Come on, leave here, Jerry. Babe, this guy is trying me in this house. What is all this nonsense now?
This guy is just...
This guy won't spoil my mood, babe.
So where were we?
I am really sorry for what happened the other day, okay? Please, I just want us to talk. Please.
Joma.
Yes?
I know what you want to say, and I'm not interested. See, what I'm focusing on now is to pay you back your money, the money you spent on my father's health. Please, it's not going to work.
Listen, I'm not asking you to pay. I just need you to let me apologize to you. Okay?
Okay.
I am sorry.
Okay.
What happened the other time will never ever happen again. Okay?
No problem.
And
Yes, ma. You sent for me, ma.
Wash them.
Ma?
You heard me.
No, ma.
I said wash those clothes. Sparkling clean.
Okay, ma, I'm sorry. That is the duty of a dry cleaner. But I can help you take them to the dry cleaners.
Why? I don't need a dry cleaner. I have you already. What are you doing? What's your job here? Just opening and closing of gates. How about now? That's too small for a young man like you. You're becoming too lazy. So I need you to be more hardworking. You know you love to eat my food a lot. This is the time to pay me back. So you have to wash these clothes very well.
I'm sorry, I can help you get a housemaid that will do the house chores and help you wash your...
I said I don't need anybody. You are enough for me. Do this job.
Ma, in that case, we'll have to review my salary. Because what I signed in the contract is to be your security man and not a laundry man. Thank you, ma.
Wow. Okay, I see. In that case, you have to take care of yourself.
That's not a problem, ma.
You rent your own house?
That's not a problem.
Outside this place. Stop drinking my water. Don't even bathe with my water at all. Most importantly, you will cook your own meal. You will feed yourself.
Sorry, ma.
No, now. You don't want to wash it. Come now. Let's negotiate. Oswald. Can you imagine? God. The nerves, so... Emilia, you have suffered. Don't blame you. I'll have to review your salary. Because you're opening and closing gates.
What is this?
I am pregnant for you.
Pregnant? For who?
For you, boss.
You must be joking. I think it's high time we end this. The fact that we employ you and Initio does not mean you come and mess this up for us. What is all this nonsense? You know what? I will issue you your sack letter immediately. What is all this? Huh? And return the car keys and you have to leave the apartment that was given to you. You have 4 hours to do all this. What is happening here?
You're a very big fool.
What?
Yes, that is what you are. You're a very big fool. So you think after sleeping with me, you're going to dump me just like that? I am pregnant for you. You're telling me, oh, what nonsense are you saying? You're a very big fool. Let's see who will win this fight. Let's see who will win this fight you just head up.
What will you do?
Since you've asked, I will drive straight down to Chief Clifford's house and tell him and his wife the clear fact how you have been sleeping with Emilia, the prospective daughter-in-law.
Jesus. Please, Jenny, just calm down, okay? We can sort this out. Please. Oh God, what have I done?
You are going to lose your job and be punished. You will remain in shame. Remember, you're a married man with kid, with a baby girl to cater for. Don't push me. Do not push me, Jerry.
Jenny, you just calm down.
Don't you dare push me. You're not going to terminate my work here. Okay?
Yeah, fine. I'm not going to fire you, okay? But Jenny, you know that I'm not ready to father another child. And moreover, I have a wife at home.
And I am not ready to terminate this pregnancy. Okay? I am not ready to do that.
Okay, just relax yourself, okay? We can find a way to solve this situation. Oh, I don't like the fact that you're angry. Please, just...
Am I still going to be fired or not?
No, you're not getting fired. Just relax. Let's talk.
I'm not getting fired.
Yes, you are. Let's talk things out, please. Please.
Hey! What have I done to myself? Oh, I am finished. Hey!
Sister, I was cleaning your room and I saw a used condom inside your toilet. I tried everything to flush it, but it couldn't. So I was thinking if I could call Eshe to help.
Are you mad? Are Are you stupid? I'm gonna fire you there, stupid girl. No, it's not only Eche you will call. You will go and announce it to the whole world. Use microphone. That I'm wayward, stupid girl. Nonsense.
How are you, man?
What is it? Do I look okay to you? Eh? Do I look fine to you in this my state? What is it, Eche? Speak now.
I'm very sorry to bother you.
Sorry for your stupid self. If you don't talk now, Thunder will fire this your mouth. Speak, what is all?
I have an emergency.
Here.
My grandmother is very, very sick. She's at the point of death. I was told that she needs some medication and food. I have come to plead with you to give me part of my salary so I can send to her so that she can stay alive for me.
Hi, Emilia. You have suffered. Come, what is wrong with you? Eh? Why has poverty eaten deep inside of you? Why are you so wretched? Why are you so wretched? I don't understand. Who do you this thing? 2 weeks into the time you got employed into this house, you demanded for money. You pleaded I give you some money, part of your salary. Before month's end though, I sorted that one out. Now again, you are here. The month just started 2 days ago. Echezono. You are here again, standing before me, begging for another money. Can't you wait for month's end? Or is your family that broke? Are you guys that poor? That you all now depend on this common 50,000 naira? Echezono. 50,000 naira, your whole family, your whole kindred is depending on to survive. Hi! You know what? I have had it up to here. No, you people cannot kill me in this house. Before they will say Emilia is a bad person, Emilia is this, Emilia is that, please and please, just go back to your duty post quietly, because if I open this my mouth and tell you word, you will regret your life. Just leave now. I am not in the good mood at all. Respect yourself and this your black beret and go back to your duty post.
Ma'am, with due respect, I can clearly see that you're not in a good mood. So I'll come back when you're in a better mood. Thank you.
Get out. Thank you too. Get out! Broke ass. Hi, Jesus. Poverty is a disease. What is this? These people will not kill me in this house. Oh. This stupid sister of mine is there saying nonsense. This one again. What kind of problem is this one? God. I'm done. Shit.
Mr. Eche's I had the conversation between you and my sister. I'm so sorry about that. Look here, I have some money. You can send it to your grandmother. Yes, you can take it to treat your grandmother. Please take it.
Don't you think it's time you stop all this? Why? See, I'm no longer comfortable with the whole stuff. I mean it. The whole idea is sickening. What? See, it is time for you to come back to Nigeria and stay. What time again do you need? For what? Are you not done? Listen,
Michael is very stubborn. He is stubborn. He don't like listening to me. He had to take my advice. What is wrong with this boy?
Echezona,
What on, ma?
I hope these oranges are not from my kitchen.
No, I bought this one with my money. I slept hungry last night. I decided to go out and look for what to eat.
You're lucky. Hence, I would have deducted it from your salary. Before I forget, Chief is coming again today. Do you hear me? Chief is coming again today, so you have to be of good conduct. Behave yourself, Echezona. Do you hear me? Listen, if you behave well, I promise to give you a big bowl of food. I made a very delicious meal in there. I will give you a big bowl of food. Do you want rice or eba? I will give it to you. Only if you behave well, oh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma, as long as you continue feeding me very well in this house, I'll be at my best behavior, I promise.
Good.
Thank you, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. One more thing, ma'am. So, for some time, I've been feeling very weak. So I called my doctor and I explained, my symptoms to my doctor. He now said that it is possible that I've been working very hard because I'm a very hard-working man. And he said maybe I'm losing protein. So is it possible to increase the portion of the meat that you give me from maybe 2 to 5 or 3 to 6?
I want you to increase my salary to 50%.
You just started working not too long ago. And moreover, I've been the one cleaning your mess in this office.
Okay, this is almost 3 months now. What are you saying?
Jenny, the fact that you're working for over 3 months does not mean we would increase your salary to 50%. It is too much, for Christ's sake.
Okay, you don't want to increase my salary. No, you don't want to upgrade me. No problem, I know my way to the MD's house. I am going there right away.
Now, stop now, Jenny. Why are you treating me like this now?
I don't understand. How am I treating you? That you should upgrade me and you're downgrading me. Is this finished? I'll call this or what?
Okay, it's okay, fine. Let me increase it to 30%. I think that's okay now, Jenny.
You and who? 30%? Or got 50%? Deal or no deal? That is what I want.
30% is okay now.
50 or no deal?
Okay, fine. It's okay. Deal.
You say you wise. No, you think you have brain now? Your baby is growing inside of me. Instead of you to increase the salary, you are here playing games with me. You think you're wise? Now only you know something pass. After you have knocked me ups and down, giving you all the styles in this world, you want to dump me. You don't want to increase my salary. They play. They play. To say you wise. Rubbish.
Hey. God, it's finished.
Oh, madam. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, ma. What can I do for you, ma?
Nothing. Okay. I just want to appreciate you for what you did today.
Appreciate me?
Yes, you really impressed me towards the time Chief was around.
Oh, okay.
Nice one. I like that. You know what? I'm going to pay you your salary. You know the money you asked of me the last time. Although it's not yet month end, but I want to pay you that money. Not only that, I will still top up 50,000 naira for you.
Wow, ma. Ma, that's very kind of you, ma. Thank you very much, ma. God bless you, ma.
You're welcome. You know, if you continue like this, we won't be having problems at all. I am not a bad person, no. See, it's just that you don't know how to follow me the way I like it. You know, if you continue like this, there will be peace.
Oh, okay, ma.
Who knows? You might even get up to here through my connection.
Wow. Thank you very much, ma.
Just keep being a good boy and you will keep benefiting good things from me.
No problem, ma. That's not a problem at all.
Yeah, let me quickly do the transfer. Yeah, done.
Ma?
Yeah, done.
Ma, I've gotten it all. Ma, you were serious? Thank you very much, ma. Thank you. God bless you.
It's all right, my son. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, everything is in order. It's all right. Chief Odi.
My friend.
My son is returning this weekend.
Oh, fantastic. That's a good news.
He said he's already rounding up the project. And more importantly, I think he's missing your daughter.
Oh, I know very well, you know. That is why he wants to return immediately. That's very good.
You are like him then. Well, as soon as he comes back, we are going to begin the final preparation of the marriage.
Yeah, really. Even me and my family, we are preparing already. Every one of us.
It's all right.
Yeah, great.
Everything is already in order.
Okay.
But aside that, there is another thing I want us to discuss, which is very, very important.
Chief Clifford, if it is the matter between Chief Collins and I, please drop it. I don't want to discuss it. Okay?
But you know I cannot drop the matter. This matter has lingered for too long. And you care less about it. I don't know why.
Wait. Chief Clifford, why are you still in partnership with him? Why? Huh? You knew he wronged me. And you are still in partnership with him. Why? Why are you doing this?
Chief Oji, Chief Collins did not do you any wrong.
Oh.
This issue is about our children. It's not about their parents. And these children have since moved on with their lives. Why are you still keeping to that?
Okay. You know, I don't like discussing this. Can we drop this matter, please, and discuss something else? Can we?
You know, I cannot drop it.
Oh.
And if you don't see a way to forgive him, it is going to affect a lot of things between me and you.
Really?
It's even going to affect our children's marriage.
What?
Come in.
Please, I'm here for us to talk.
Sit down.
No, we are okay. We're okay like this.
You sure? Okay. Ike, now go first, okay?
Okay.
You see, ever since I met you, you changed a whole lot in me. I never believed that I would fall deeply in love with you. I didn't believe that. And I was told that you came looking for me on several occasions. I was told.
That's why I'm here. I'm sorry for the choice of words I used the last time I came. The truth is that you're a very good person. You're a nice person. You have a heart of gold. But as you can see, Helen here has been with me for a long time. We've been dating. I don't want to lie to myself. I don't want to come into your life and take your money. I know your father is rich.
You want water?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
Sorry.
Like I said, I don't want to take advantage of you. Collecting your money, lying to you that I love you when I know I don't love you. Helen here. I'm in love with Helen. Please, I want you to understand. I know you will find your own man. You're a good person. I know you will find a man of your choice. But please understand.
Ikenna, you know, I found out some dirty secrets about my father. And it made me realize that I was truly right not to have, you know, I did not go ahead with the wedding with the son of his business partner. I didn't. I actually rejected a whole lot of people. I wanted someone for myself. I wanted an ordinary person, someone I could connect with. I was doing all of this because I wanted to show my daddy that it wasn't about money. It's not about status. It's about fulfilling me. I wanted to be fulfilled. I wanted to be sure that I was doing the right thing, that I was happy. But you know, as they say, you plan and life gives you something else. Helen here. She's a good person. She's human and she deserves love and attention. I'm cool. I'm happy. I'm okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
It's all right. It's fine. It's good. It's okay. I just pray that I get to find the man of my dream.
You will. You will get. You're a good person. I know you'll get.
I will?
You will, ma.
Sure.
Sure.
Thank you. Ikenna, I would want to support your business with 3 million naira. That's okay?
Yeah?
Yes. I just want, it's from my heart, nothing, just from me.
Hey.
No, Ellie, no, please.
Thank you.
It's fine, it's okay, it's okay. It's just from my heart.
Thank you very much.
It's
Thank
okay.
you, Mama. I'm grateful.
It's fine, just give me a minute. Please. Can I have your account number?
Okay. 01
01
34
34
25
Hey, Willie.
Sister.
What's up with the food?
It's almost ready.
It's almost ready?
Yes, sister.
Are you sure you used all the ingredients the way I instructed you to use them?
Sister, I did. Now don't you trust me again?
Listen, there's no trust here. I cannot gamble this one at all. You see, today, everything has to be perfect. He will soon be here. He's on his way. He is close. I will have to check it. Hurry up, whatever thing you're doing.
Fine.
Hurry up now. Hurry up. He will soon be here. Hurry up! Now why are you looking at me?
Sorry.
What?
Is the position okay like this?
You know, leave it. Go to your duty post. Go to the gate. Go and look after the gate. Where is Fred? Where is the wine now? Bring out the wine. I said go to the gate.
I couldn't find where you kept the wine.
Are you okay? Why are you not a woman? Can't your eye this girl? The wine is there. The wine. What's your problem?
Welcome, sir.
Okay, what's up?
I'm good, sir.
Okay, get things from the boat. Okay, get the boat open.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Stop there.
I don't understand. Are you mad?
Not too fast. Put your hands down.
Babe, can you imagine this gate man? Talking to me like, is he mad?
I said put your hands down.
It looks like the assignment that I sent you to execute. As a matter of fact, it's dirtier than I was told.
Yes. Very, very dirty, Michael. Very, very dirty. Yes, Michael. Listen, everything is under control, okay? I'm in the village right now. I'm trying to spend some time with grandmother. Then I'll execute my plans from here. I said I'm in the village right now. I'm spending some time with grandmother. Then I'm also executing my plans from here. Yes. My friend Ikenna knows nothing about me or my family. And I've briefed Ijoma. She has a big role to play. Exactly. Listen. Yes. I'm going to be giving you the feedback. Of course, I'll be working in the house now. We've planned that already. It's going to work, don't worry. I promise you, it's going to work. So just wait for my call, okay? I'll always tell you my findings. Yes. All right, bye-bye. Yeah.
Baby, please. Please, baby, I'm sorry.
Why is there no one at the gate? And what is going on here? Why are you looking at me like that? What is going on here?
What's happening here?
Wow. Chief Collins. Jerry. Right on time. Michael. These are some of the men, some of the patronizers of this bitch, this slut. Now, Chief Collins is a friend to her father. I mean, her father and this man standing before me are friends. And her brother, Donald, was to get married to his daughter. But guess what? His daughter fled. She disappeared. Why? Because she has no respect for her father. Her father has no integrity. Her father has no shame. Her father is full of iniquity. But guess what? That's a story for another day. And the young man standing behind him is Jerry. I had to lure him here, down here, so that the police can hold him.
Hey.
If I tell you what this guy has done to our father's company, your ears, Michael, your ears will bleed. This guy! This guy!
Please. Hey.
This guy!
I'm finished though. Please, we can resolve this, please. I don't want to go to jail.
You don't want to go to jail. So tell me, how much did you steal from the account?
Okay, I will tell you.
How much did you take from the account?
Okay, fine. I will confess. We'll sort this out, please.
Yeah.
Please.
Hello?
Hey.
Yes.
Please.
Okay, you're here. All right. That's fine. Just come in.
I don't want to. I don't want to go to jail.
Shut up!
Get out from me. Do anything you ask me to do.
I promise
Please,
you.
I
I'll
promise
make
you.
it up.
I never knew you and I could become a thing.
That's right. You see, my older brother wanted me to investigate the status of the love he found. And I realized everything was fake. Little did we know that love had something for us. The future had something for us. Life had something for us.
Exactly. We found each other in the strangest of ways.
Yeah. And you showed me care. You showed me love. Even when you thought I was a common security man. You didn't let your sister's dirty ways change your mind. You tried to stop her. Listen, thanks for caring for me. Thanks for loving me.
I love you so much, Echi.
I love you too.
betrayal I feel, just the price I have to pay for being way too loyal, for loving a liar and trusting a cheat. How to see pain